My daughter said I love you, and I felt absolutely nothing. When I was a kid, my mother would hit me with wooden spoons until they broke. My father would lock me in dark closets for hours, saying it would fix my attitude. I promised myself that if I ever had kids, I would be the best parent ever. I would give my children everything I didn't have. When my daughter was born, I did everything by the book. I read all the parenting guides, never raised my voice, attended every school event, made homemade meals. I was the mother I wished I had, but one night as I tucked her into bed, she said, "I love you, mommy," and I felt nothing. No warmth, no joy, just emptiness. That's when it hit me. I had been playing the role of a perfect mother, but I couldn't feel the love I was supposed to have. The